Kani kadiga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong.
Haka laipui terik mutabna jembang arajar arpo, ringkat borok kawai gari bat ka pertaihi borok kawai. Haka ni gejala Meghalaya ru katnat ka koi ka kia, yakni kesngi ke bala nyokor kerpang daka World Health Organization kom kesngi banyala pajba yak jingsnia uduma la udai ubadi penmitedam ne ukenja jingbang handai namar bakadai kapor bakari hi barakawai kadang don hapdang ke jingekon banyada na ke jingsa priang uknyang jingpang COVID-19 haka bak sarkar kala perkheng yak jingilum pajba komta ha news nam kiriyo shampang jokatnat ka koi kakya kimla bannet cheki pajba bannet penshai halor ke jingsneu ke jingdi ne ba mi uduma Komta la pendep yagani ka benta banpha yak khubor ski pajba halor ka jingsneo ba ka jingma na ka jingkerni hakabadi ne bam duma tangleng ba kilat pathai khubor habakaran leng ba kinong pathai khubor ka state nodal officer jong ka National Tobacco Control Program NHM Meghalaya ka Dr Lana Lingdo Nongbri ka basngau kandet banyak sngo kalong ba ka jala Meghalaya karan hakakerdan ka baar haka jingdan kibreu ki bakarni di duma bat hakakerdan ka bakhatsan hakari India haka jingbon kibreu ki baba mi duma hakir kom ba pher.
Today the 31st of May 2020 is observed as the World No Tobacco Day by the National Tobacco Control Program, National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. It is also a day which is being observed by the entire world. Different organizations in the world, they observe this day as a World No Tobacco Day with different themes. As for example, last year the theme was tobacco and lung health. But this year the theme is a little bit different. It is stressing on the youth and it is giving so much importance on the youth. So the theme this year is on protecting youth from industry manipulation and preventing them from tobacco and nicotine use. Why this theme was created this year on behalf of the youths? Because as I have mentioned before, that there are so many people dying from the tobacco use. Tobacco which comes in different forms. Round about 9 million people die because of tobacco use. Out of 9 million, 8 million people die because of use of tobacco and 1 million people die not because they use tobacco but because they are subjected to second-hand smoke. Okay, so whoever smokes in the park, whoever smokes in any public place, they smoke in malls or they smoke everywhere, wherever there's a big gathering of people, that is considered as a public place. So young children, young mothers, then ladies or men, boys and girls who do not smoke at all, but when they are in the middle of the people who are smoking cigarettes, taking tobacco, they are exposed to this second-hand smoke. So 1 million people globally, according to the global estimates, they die because of second-hand smoke. Whereas I can say that round about 1.2 billion people are tobacco users in this whole world. And out of this, more than half die of tobacco use. So that is the main concern and the main challenge for any anti-tobacco organization, be it government or be it a non-government. So this is a challenge and it's very, very alarming when we see these rates and these figures. So what it does, the WHO, they have brought this theme so that these tobacco industry people, they do not get to target new users. Okay, so the government is also targeting now young boys and girls, and even the industry is targeting new users, and that is the youth. So that's why this theme came into being. So now we are talking so much about the manipulation of the tobacco industry. What does the tobacco industry do? To make the youth fall prey into the use of tobacco and nicotine. Yes, we all know tobacco is bad, and nicotine also, it's also another substance which is addictive in nature. This nicotine, when it is taken by children, with tobacco, what it does, it goes straight to the brain of the child or the boy, and it acts immediately. It gives a pleasurable feeling, of feeling good, and the urge to keep on taking till that person becomes addicted. Like drugs, etc., they become addicted to this substance, nicotine. So which is why we are giving so much importance to the youth about informing them, creating an awareness about the ill effects of tobacco and nicotine, and also what benefits they get by not taking tobacco and nicotine. And we are also helping them. We campaign and we try to create an awareness in helping them to prevent them from taking this tobacco and nicotine. And something else which the tobacco industry is doing. What do? They are so, they are so oriented towards benefiting profit, okay? They do not think about the health or the death, but they just need new users to compensate for the many loss of lives due to tobacco. What do? They are so calculative in nature, and they have designed all the designs of the different tobacco products, which do not come in the primitive design or in the crude manner. They have brought different designs, sleek designs, and designs which, and we make them smokeless. We have come, they have come forward with the innovation of electronic nicotine delivery system or e-cigarettes. Then they have come up with the innovation of electronic non-nicotine delivery system, and they have also innovated other things like, heated tobacco products at low temperature. Then they also come up with products like heat not burn. These are all attractive products which will draw the attention of the youth immediately. And the designs that they come also, they come in the form of a single cigarette, they come in the form of disposable cigarettes which cannot be refilled, a single stick, disposable, and even vending machines where a child or a youth, they will get access to that very easily. And then they sponsor the events, be it sports, be it any pop culture, music, or any activity where the youth are indulging themselves in. They sponsor those events. And when they sponsor those events, and then not only that, these tobacco products, these e-cigarettes or whatever form they come, they come with different flavors, so that one feels good when they take these cigarettes with different flavors. And then they also promote that these products, when they come, they are meant to reduce harm, okay? And they say that these are cleaner products, so they are alternatives to the primitive ones. These are things that the tobacco industry is trying, to attract the youth by saying all these things. And they also provide so many cigarettes, so many things, and even in the point of sales, there are different point of sales regions where the youth, they go frequently, and they just provide free samples of cigarettes over there. They provide free samples, and whoever gets, they get free samples of these cigarettes. And any representative from tobacco industry, they come, they catch hold of them, and they give these free cigarettes. And indirect marketing of tobacco products, then digital and social media advertising. There are so many countries, they have banned this, but still, these youths somehow, they are susceptible to cross-border advertisement, and which are originating from other countries. So they fall prey into this also. So these are the different tactics which the tobacco industries, they are using. And just to get the interest or to catch the eye of the youth. So here, what I would like to say, that this program, the National Tobacco Control Program from the Government of India or the WHO or so many, we have come up with this campaign, this big tobacco, anti-tobacco campaign or the counter marketing campaign, okay, in the fight against big tobacco. So what does this campaign do? And what will it serve? This campaign, No Tobacco campaign, will serve to debunk the myths and expose the marketing tactics of the tobacco industries. Okay? And also we have to equip the youth with all the knowledge about the ill effects of the tobacco, and we have to equip the youth also with all the information about the tactics of the tobacco industries. And lastly, most importantly, what is the main aim, or what will this main campaign provide? We are focusing on empowering the youth, okay, with the responsibility to be the leaders or to lead from the front. We are empowering them so that they will be the torch bearers of this anti-tobacco campaign. So the youth, we are expecting the youth to come forward and to approach even the department whenever they want to organize events, whether it's sports or whether it is music or any platform they are in. They can invite us, to help them in supporting their programs, and especially when anything they would like to do against the big tobacco. So this is an appeal, this is a message of support to all the youth in this state, in the country, and to the whole world as a whole, that to come forward and take our support. There's another call of action that we would like to do, and that is to call upon, the local government, maybe local darbars or any governing body, to extend their support towards the implementation of the program, and especially when any policies are there which needs to be implemented, we need all the governments and the local government to come forward and lend a hand and support in making the policies and implementing them effectively. And I would like to state also another important thing. I would like to inform everybody about this one piece of information that I have, and that piece of information is from the Tobacco Board of India, the Ministry of Commerce and Industries. In the month of July 2019, this Tobacco Board of India, is not granting a registration to new growers, tobacco growers, and not issuing any license for construction of new barns or creating any additional curing infrastructure, and no expansion of flue-cured Virginia tobacco cultivation to new areas. So this is one piece of information which we expect that it will be acted upon accordingly. So that is one thing. So here the message is to the youth that no matter what form of tobacco you take, be it primitive tobacco, be it modern form of tobacco, the ill effects are equally same, and there is no positive outcome from the intake of tobacco and nicotine use, because no matter what, the true face of tobacco is disease, death, and horror. But it is not the glamour and sophistication the pushers in the tobacco industry they try to portray. So this is the strong message that is given to all the youth of the society, and we expect and we look forward to their support, to their cooperation for a brighter, a healthier society, so that we are the true ambassadors of this No Tobacco campaign. Thank you very much.